The Lexus NX200t from 2014 to 2017 features a speed warning system designed to alert drivers when a preset speed is exceeded. This video demonstrates how to set up and customize this feature, enhancing driving safety by promoting awareness of vehicle speed. It's a basic driver assist feature intended to help you stay within speed limits. To access the speed warning settings, start by pressing the menu button on your steering wheel or center console. This will bring up the main menu on the 7-inch multi-information display screen. Use the remote touch interface or the touch screen, if equipped, to navigate through the menu options. Within the main menu, locate Vehicle Settings or a similar option related to vehicle customization. Once found, select it. In the Vehicle Settings submenu, look for Vehicle Customization. Selecting this opens up options related to customizing various vehicle features, including the speed warning system. In the Vehicle Customization menu, find the Speed Warning option and select it. This allows you to adjust the speed threshold at which the warning is triggered. You can set the speed limit from 20 to 140 miles per hour in increments of 5 miles per hour using the RTI controller or touch screen. For example, adjusting from 70 mph to 75 mph. Once you've selected the speed warning setting, you can customize the type of alert you receive. The NX200t offers options to enable or disable an audible chime, which is a soft beep, and a visual alert displayed on the mid-screen. Choose the combination that best suits your preferences. You can have both the chime and visual alert, just the chime, just the visual, but make sure at least one is enabled to receive warnings. The warning lights image shows various dashboard alerts, including speed-related ones that might appear on the mid-deed screen. After setting the speed threshold and alert type, confirm your selections. There's usually an OK or Confirm button on the screen. Once confirmed, exit the menu. The speed warning system will now be active, alerting you when you exceed the set speed limit. The NX200t's speed warning system has important limitations to consider. It relies solely on manually set speed thresholds and cannot automatically detect posted speed limits. Unlike modern vehicles with advanced driver assistance systems, it lacks GPS integration and real-time traffic data, meaning alerts trigger only when exceeding your preset speed. This system does not connect to external data sources and provides no predictive warnings or automatic adjustments. Compared to newer Lexus models with ADAS, the NX200t offers basic alerts without intervention capabilities like automatic braking. Regularly check the speed warning system to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you experience issues like chime malfunctions or inaccurate alerts, consult your Lexus service manual or a qualified technician. Faulty speed sensors can sometimes cause inaccurate alerts, requiring an ECU reset or other maintenance. Keep in mind this system is outdated, and retrofitting modern speed alerts may be an option.